Yes, because if we how about the students that doesn't know what is cyberspace and they need the internet for their project? They could use the internet, but there are times that some students they use internet for the advice to escape from other. Are you aware that Are you aware that it's cyberspace for videos or something? It's actually illegal. Yes, but if when you're college, we said, but if should lock this cyberspace in the internet, not all. Why did they suspend it earlier? But they let the crime be more.
Layo na lang.
The government really control the people using the internet. But the government could control the people using the internet.
Ano po?